So working on my breadboard, I'm basically copying this onto my board itself. So I've put my preset in, I've put my transistor in, and then it's a matter of just cutting and fitting the correct wires. So I'm going to put this in as my positive rail connector, I'm going to put this in as my negative rail connector, and then I'm looking and say, okay, so I've got a black wire coming from the preset to the negative rail, so that's going in there. Now ideally the wires should be nice and short like this one. When you do the first one through, you're likely to be doing big loopy wires to make sure it's correct, and that's fine if you're just doing it to test the breadboard, then you're going on to make the PCB. It's also fine if you're doing it to test the breadboard and then you make an improved PCB where you have the short wires, because if you're going to get the marks for high quality, you should not have any big loops of wires. All of the wires should be flat on the board, and if you need wire to go from this point to this point, rather than just put it in straight across, what they're actually expecting you to do is to get the length right and to make sure that it is actually flat on the board. So you would put a 90-degree bend in it, in the wire, and it would be fitted in from there to there like that, so that it was flat to the board, neat, and whoever was actually marking it could see exactly where the wires went. That's one of the reasons it's really important you plan your PCB out. If you want to get quality marks for a breadboard, then it needs to be looking wires flat like that.